David again.
Getting warm. Getting worse.
Trailhead, yeah. It's closed right here. It's always closed. So, a lot of people. Nice. These are day hikers. Oh, nice. So we have track.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. So one advantage of starting late.
Yeah, here we are.
Plenty of tracks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. David and Robert again. Another venture.
Right here.
BBN Creek Trailhead parking. All right. So here we are now at the trailhead, proper trailhead. We're starting late. It's okay. We're just planning to go to High Creek.
11 o'clock.
And we're splitting this trip to Gorgonio in 2 days. That was the plan.
Just 5 miles and 3,200 feet of climbing today.
Wow. It's still an attempt, to Gorgonio. Let's see. Because we haven't seen any post yet. So we want to try and see it, how it's going to be like, in the snow. So here we are. Let's do this. Hell yeah. We made it this far. Are we still good?
We're good.
All right. We got to cross Mill Creek.
But, we survived without crampons so far.
Yeah. So this is the condition right here at the bottom. Not so bad. No micro spike needed. But yeah, we gotta cross this. We got caught in the flash flood one time here, coming down. Yeah, that was like 3-4 years ago, maybe 5 years ago. Oh, we need to go back and get a wilderness permit. Nah, we got covered.
We're good.
I got permit for 4, but only 2 showed up. Me and David. So we're heading up.
Anybody else picking back?
Yeah, that's looking at Galena area, Galena Peak. That's a Yucaipa Ridge right there. When you go up that way, you can still see some of the remnants of the fire. Beautiful day, sunny.
Warm.
It's super warm. It's 73.
Yeah.
Damn. We made it to the sign. I think we're wearing the wrong garments. Too hot, like 70 something right now. Last week of January. Yeah, we're just gonna have some snacks and take a rest for a while.
It's definitely a heat wave.
Yeah. The last time we did this, me and David, it's like a couple of years ago. And we can tell that there's so many down trees, but the SGWA, perhaps they're the one who cleared the trails, which is very nice, thanks to them. Yeah, we're approaching BBN Creek Trail Camp, which is on the left side. No, the right side of the trail up there. You hear the wind? A little bit windy right now. You got water. Plenty of water around.
Plenty of water.
Yeah, that's great.
Icy and dicey.
That's how they say it. Look at the sky, it's still bright, still nice. No wind so far. A little breeze. But yeah. I'm filming you. Here I am. Yeah.
All right.
Filming you, filming me. Look at this. Pretty.
It's a winter wonderland.
Yep. And it is still winter. Winter, all right. So we stop here for a while. I pick up a little water. This is before halfway camp. We're very close, probably a couple of 100 feet away. Yeah, scoop now, filter later. Yeah, so here we are. The signpost, highway camp. I haven't seen this like this. Oh, look at that. The camp is down below right there. We're gonna have some snack.
Yeah, it's called
What do you call that thing?
Burekas.
Burekas.
It's
David's mom did this.
spinach,
Yeah.
cheese, and phyllo dough.
Looks good. Really good. Thanks to David's mom. Mm. There you go. That's a closer look. The waterfalls. All right, we barely made it to High Creek. Daylight. It's almost sunset. What time is it now?
Almost 5:30.
Almost 5:30, and we just layered up and we're just gonna find a spot. As you can hear, the wind's crazy right now. We found those two young boys. They didn't make it to the summit, but they're camping here overnight too.
Think it's working?
I hope so.
There's a rock here.
Yeah. There you go. We try to make it compact a little bit more so we can set up our tent close to each other. Super windy right now. Sure. You can move it. I bet. Here it is, guys. We were able to set up, but it's kind of tricky. It's super windy right now. It's like 20 miles an hour gusty wind, maybe more. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. So what we did is, like, David helped me first to set up my shelter, which is I'm using right now is the REI Flasher one. I don't know why I brought this one. And then set up David's next. We were able to set it up right here in High Creek Camp. Crazy! It's like pandemonium right now. Like probably 6:30 at night. 6:45. So we gotta get water, and then we gotta get ready for our dinner. Here we are, High Creek. And this log right here. So it takes a lot of work to get to this area and pick up some water. I got 3 liters there, almost 3 liters. The water is flowing okay right now. And tomorrow we're gonna cross this water from our camp and we're gonna go that way. Alright guys, it's 7:30 right now. And we're feeling it. It's like 50 miles an hour gusty wind up here in High Creek. So we haven't had dinner yet. So we're just planning to, I'm just hanging out here inside, trying to rest a little bit. And I'll try to cook something, boil water. But with this wind,
Good luck to me. Crazy. Man, that was crazy. Getting worse, getting worse. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. We could have gone to a lower level. Stay away from the wind. But we're already trapped here. We can't move anymore. It's 9:30 already at night. Not getting any warm. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Woo! Sunday morning, we're still here in High Creek. The wind is still strong, too much. Yeah, we're still battling this wind. I don't know if we can make it. At least try to get up there. But yeah, we still fight, still battle. The whole night, never stopped. But I was able to sleep. I was able to take a nap. Get up, back to sleep, get up, on and off. Right now I'm planning to make some hot soup with hard-boiled egg. See if I can make a fire. You won't believe this is the only thing I had for dinner. I had no appetite. I'm freaking tired. I just went to bed. What I did. This is what I'm gonna have. It's shrimp wonton ramen with some yuchoy, and I'm gonna drop some egg. I got 2 hard-boiled eggs ready, peeled already. So waiting for my water to boil, and then I'm gonna make some coffee afterwards. Boiling now. Go. Breakfast. Not so bad. Now I'm gonna make some coffee. Nescafe 3-in-1. I'm boiling some water again. Yeah. I had only one hard-boiled egg, all the shrimp, the vegetables, and some noodles. Good enough. This was supposed to be my dinner last night. Pasta marinara. Pico. I was too lazy, too tired to cook. Tagay. Good.
Alright, we're gonna leave the camp for now. Leaving the tent and some of our stuff. I will try to see what's up there.
Yeah.
And see how far we can go. It's still icy and snowy. And still windy. Died down a little bit. It's Sunday morning. We're gonna go across the water again over there. If you're camping here, you see this sign right here. Make sure you're 200 feet away from the water. So the campsite
Or ice.
from here is over there. That's our campsite right there. Like 300 feet away, maybe more. There goes Dave leading the way. And look at this, how steep the incline here. We're just doing it straight up. We just micro spikes and trekking pole. The snow is still soft, so it's okay. Lots of work. This is above High Creek right now. Still not close to the ridge, but look at this view. The body over there, the rightmost area. Rightmost of the screen.
Yeah, doesn't that
It's
look
like
somebody
a
launched
smoke. Somebody fired a rocket going up. Alright guys, at least we're gonna be on top of this ridge, up above High Creek. Woo! And hopefully we'll see San Jacinto from here. And the apple fire, the remnants of the fire. Woo! We're here at 10,000, almost body. And you can see Jacinto behind me. We're gonna go through this burnt area from the apple fire like 3 years ago, almost 4 years ago. We're gonna climb all the way there and to the right.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Okay.
So we're gonna traverse this, come down a little bit and go to the other side. See the trail? We gotta go through that, traverse that all the way there. Still far away. Snack time. This is the traversed the trail. If you made a mistake right here, you go down. See that? That's still stiff. But right now it's almost clear. The wind is very minimal. There's no sign of avalanche. There's a view deck around here. I want to show you guys the view.
I think we'll get a better view.
Yeah.
I see Big Bear Lake barely.
Beautiful up here. Okay, this is the first time we see close to the summit. So this next sign should be the junction sign going to Dollar Lake, I guess. So this is the sign right here. Second sign you see. Summit Camp, Vivian Creek. Should be this way. But we came up from this way. Oh yeah. Alright guys, another junction here. This should be the last sign before the summit, I believe. Okay, to my right side, that's the way going back to mine shaft, flat, and trail going that way too. Gorgonio straight ahead. See David over there. Almost there. Less than 200 feet. Woo! That's the right summit right there. There you go, guys. Made it here. Yeah, beautiful view. Actually, the weather is near perfection. Not much wind.
Yeah, I can't believe it's not windy.
Average so 42 degrees based on my thermometer.
We could have spent the night up here instead of.
That's what I'm thinking. We're gonna dig those rock hole right there.
Oh, yeah.
See that? Yeah.
Man, we could have spent the night here. Instead of in that.
Alright, here you go, guys. The view around here. And that's Big Bear Lake right there. You see the dry lake down below. I camped there a few times. See that rock circle there, full of snow. And there goes my buddy David.
All right.
We made it here. Pretty cool. Right now it's just the two of us. And yeah, this is the view up here. So
I think anybody else's.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's a Mount San Jacinto right there. And Baldy over that way, right there in the center screen. No, sorry, that's not Baldy. That's Saddleback. Correction. Baldy is right there. The ice cap. And Cucamonga Wilderness on the should be on the left side. Yep. It's San Jacinto 10 freeway over there. Yeah, that's Salton Sea. Here we go. All right, Gorgonio. Until the next one.
Bye, Gorgonio.
Yeah. Let's move out of here. Getting cold. It will be dark soon. You see the spot, right? Yeah. That's the most sketchiest part of the hike. See the fall? It's light. It's like 1500. Still have a few minutes of daylight, but at least we made it here to High Creek. Me and David, we're gonna pick up some water for our section going to halfway. At least there's water there. Yeah, but it's still bright, so we're gonna pick up the gear, break it down, the camp, and then head out. It should be dark by the time we get to the car. Alright guys, we made it to the camp, and luckily the tents are still here, right there. Yeah, we're gonna clear the area here.
And it's not windy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why couldn't it have been like this last night?
Exactly. That's a good thought. Yeah. And yeah, I'm still far away from the parking. So yeah, let's move out of here. All clear. We're gonna be heading out in a few. It's almost 6 o'clock, and look at that. Fiery. All right, we made it out. Me and David again.
Oh yeah, another brutal hike.
It's late already.
Gorgonio.
Yeah, it was a tough hike every time.
Yeah.
Even though we did it this time in 2
Over
days.
2 days.
But we were able to summit. That's the best thing there.
Yeah.
We had
Total
a
15 miles.
15 miles.
15.26 miles and 5,800 feet of climbing.
Wow, that's a lot for us. That's a lot for me.
Yeah, and a lot of
Yeah.
snow. And it was a winter.
Yeah, the snow condition is really good. Actually, we just use micro spikes and trekking pole. There's another group of 5, and they don't even use crampon too. Just micro spikes and a trekking pole.
Right.
But still beware of those icy spots up there close to the summit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then,
Right. Cheers.
ciao.